Friends, this is Nagarohit Reddy from Tech Awaited. Today, let's talk about Samsung S21 FE 5G. This smartphone is made by Samsung for fans. This smartphone is a flagship smartphone launched by Samsung at lower price, so it is called as Fan Edition. There are variety of color variants available. Now let's talk about unboxing of this smartphone. The box is slim since it has no charger in the box. There is only smartphone, Type-C cable and user manual. Coming on to its design and build quality, the design looks same like S21 series. The same material it is used for both camera and back panel. Back panel is matte finish, so it looks premium. At front side, it has Gorilla Glass Victus. A strong glass is placed in the smartphone for protection. Now let's look at the camera. Camera in the smartphone is super extraordinary. In rear camera, there are 3 camera sensors, 12 megapixels primary sensor, 12 megapixels ultra-wide sensor, 8 megapixels telephoto. Here, telephoto is used for zooming purpose. Photos which comes from this smartphone looks fantastic, since detailing in this photo will be super and colors look saturated, and there are more camera modes in the app. The front camera is 32 megapixels, which clicks excellent photos. Samsung really done super optimization in the phone. Coming on to its display, the display in this smartphone is 6.4 inches dynamic AMOLED display with 120 Hz fast refresh rate. Scrolling will be extremely smooth. Colors look accurate in this smartphone. Coming on to in-hand feel, I really don't have this smartphone, but I can surely say that this smartphone is very light to hold. Coming on to battery, S21 FE has 4500 mAh battery which supports 25 watt fast charging. Since the processor is a battery efficient processor, the battery can last long. It supports wireless charging. Coming on to software, the smartphone comes with Android 12 out of the box with One UI 4.0. One UI is the best UI. It has many features. Since this UI is a feature-rich UI, this smartphone gets 3 major software updates. That is Android version 13, 14, 15 and 4 years security updates. Performance. S21 FE has Exynos 2100, which gives similar performance like Qualcomm Snapdragon 888. It is 5nm processor, that means it is a battery efficient chipset. High graphic games run smoothly in this smartphone. It is a 5G processor. This smartphone supports multiple 5G bands. Coming on to conclusion, this smartphone price starts from 54,999. With bank offers, you can get it very less than this pricing. This smartphone is not for everyone. This smartphone is for productive people. That's all for today. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe our channel since I give honest and detailed review for every tech gadget. Comment below your thoughts about Tech Awaited. If there are any suggestions or queries, comment below. I read every single comment. Share this video with your friends. Give us a like for my efforts. The S21 FE 5G smartphone details given in the description. Go and check them out. As I am signing off, see you in the next one.